Today I want to explain about a simple problem of issue and redemption of debentures. This is the second unit in corporate accountancy for second BCom vocational students. Okay, let us see the problem it is. A limited company issued 2000 debenture bonds of rupees 100 each, repayable at the end of the 10th year. The debenture bonds were payable on 25% on application and 25% on allotment and the balance on first and final call All the monies were received by the company in due course. You are asked to generalize the above transaction in the books of the company. Okay, so first one, look at the board please. 25% on application, 25% on allotment, 50%. Okay, and the balance on first and final call. Balance 100 minus 25 minus 25, that is equal to 50%. So the 50% amount treated as first and final call. Okay, first and final call. So that means application money per each debenture. Application money. So what is the actual value of each debenture? 100. 100 into 25, that is equal to rupees 25 rupees application money per each debenture. Allotment money for each debenture. So actual value of each debenture 100 into 25 rupees 25. First and final call money for each debenture 100 into remaining balance 50%. So 50, that is equal to 50. Total 100. So the amount collected from the debenture holders, the total amount collected for each debenture from the debenture holders rupees 100. The actual value of each debenture rupees 100. That means debentures are issued at par. Debentures are issued, not debentures. This is the model problem for, this is the example problem for debentures are issued at par. That actual value of each debenture 100, the amount collected for each debenture is also be 100. That's why debentures are issued at par. Look at the general entries for this problem. First one. What is the general entry for that? Bank account debtor 2. First general entry, debentures application account being debenture application money received on 2000. Number of debentures are issued 2000 debentures at the rate of rupees 25 per debenture. Okay, 2000 into 25, 50,000 rupees. 50,000 rupees debenture application money received from debenture holders. Next general entry, this amount transfers to debentures account. Debenture application money transfers to debentures account. The general entry is debenture application account debtor to debentures account being debenture application money transfers to debentures account 50,000. Next one, when debenture allotment money due on 2,000 debentures, debenture allotment money due. So debenture allotment account debtor to debentures account being debenture allotment money due on 2,000 debentures at the rate of, look at the board please, allotment money per each debenture 25 rupees. So being debenture allotment money due on 2,000 debentures at the rate of 25 rupees per debenture. 2,000 into 25, 50,000, 50,000. A simple problem it is. Next one, whenever debenture allotment money received, what is the general entry for that? Debentures, when allotment money received, what is the general entry for that? Bank account debtor to debenture allotment account being debenture allotment money received. So how much? 50,000, 50,000. Next general entry for allotment, for first and final call. For first and final call amount due. So general entry, debenture first and final call account debtor to debentures account being first and final call due on 2,000 debentures at the rate of first and final call money per each debenture 50 at the rate of 50 rupees per each debenture. 2,000 into 50, 1 lakh. So first and final call money due 1 lakh rupees. Next one, when first and final call money received, bank account debtor to debenture first and final call account. How much amount received? 1 lakh. 1 lakh being first and final call money received. Okay, look at the transactions. First, application money 2 general entries, allotment money 2 general entries, first and final call money 2 general entries. Number of debentures issued, 2000 debentures are issued. First call money per each debenture 25. Second call allotment 25. Next one application also be 25. So when a first one application money, so bank account it are to debenture application account. Bank account it are to debenture application account. When application money received, being debenture application money received on 2000 debentures at the rate of rupees 25 per share, 50,000. Next, debenture application account it are to debentures account. Application money transfers to debentures account. Being debenture application money transfers to debentures account, 50,000. Next, allotment money due. Debenture allotment account it are to debentures account, 50,000. Allotment money received, bank account it are to allotment account, 50,000. When first call amount due, debenture first and final call account it are to debentures account. First and final call amount due on 2000 debentures at the rate of rupees 50 per debenture, 1 lakh. Bank next, first and final call amount received, bank account it are to debenture first and final call account. So being first and final call money received, how much it is? 1 lakh. So these are all the general entries at the time of issue of debentures at par in A limited company. Let us see the ledger posting for this. Okay, the important ledgers are first one bank account. What is the general entry? Bank account it are to debentures application account. So to debenture application account, how much? 50,000. Next general entry, bank account it are to debenture allotment account. So to debenture allotment account, how much? 50,000. Next one, bank account it are to debenture first and final call account, to debenture first and final call account, how much? 1 lakh. Total 2 lakhs by balance carried down 2 lakhs. Okay, 2 lakhs to balance brought down 2 lakhs. This is the ledger account for bank. Okay, next one, debentures account. Next one, debentures account. First general entry, bank account it are to debentures application account. Next general entry, debentures account it are to, debenture application account it are to debentures account. So by debenture application account, how much? 50,000. Next general entry, debenture allotment account it are to debentures account. By debenture allotment account, how much? 50,000. Third general entry, debenture first and final call, that means third, fourth, fifth general entry, debenture first and final call account it are to debentures account. By debenture first and Final call account. How much? 1 lakh. Total 2 lakhs. 2. Balance carried down 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs. By balance brought down 2 lakhs. Bank account shows the debit balance. Debentures account shows the credit balance. Okay. This is the asset side because it shows the debit balance. This is the liability side because it shows the credit balance. Okay. This is the preparation of ledger accounts. This is the preparation of ledger accounts in the books of A Company Limited. Let us see the balance sheet. How a balance sheet of A Company Limited like this. Balance sheet of A Limited as on dash dash dash. You know very well the procedure of balance sheet. Okay. Balance sheet particulars, note number, amount. Okay. Equity and liabilities. Equity and liabilities are categorized 3 parts. One is shareholders funds, non-current liabilities, current liabilities. Shareholders funds are categorized in 2 parts. One is share capital, second one is reserves and surplus. So shareholders funds is equal to share capital plus reserves and surplus. Shareholders funds is equal to share capital plus reserves and surplus. Next one, non-current liabilities. Next one, current liabilities. That means liabilities are categorized in 3 parts. One is shareholders funds, second one is non-current liabilities, third one is current liabilities. Next, assets. Assets are categorized in 2 parts. One is non-current assets, second one is current assets. Okay, look at the board please. Equity and liability, shareholders funds. There is no information in this problem regarding capital. So that's why shareholder funds, there is no authorized capital, subscribed capital, issued capital, called up capital and paid up capital also. So that's why share capital nil. Next, there is no information about reserves and surplus in this problem. So the reserves and surplus amount is also be nil. So that's why the shareholders funds, the total shareholders funds is also be nil. Next one, non-current liabilities. Non-current liabilities means long-term liabilities. Already A Company Limited issued 2000 debentures at the rate of 100 each. That's why 2000 debentures at the rate of 100 each. And also with that, debentures are issued at par. Debentures are issued at par. That's why 2000 debentures at the rate of 100 rupees each. 2000 into each. 2000 into 100, that is equal to 2 lakhs rupees. And also debenture account shows the credit balance of 2 lakhs. That's why 2000 into 100, that is equal to 2 lakhs. There is no current liabilities in this problem, so nil. So total equity and liability 2 lakhs. Total equity and liability 2 lakhs. That means the total amount of liabilities is rupees 2 lakhs. Next one, assets. Assets are categorized in 2 parts. One is non-current assets, second one is current assets. Non-current assets means here fixed assets or fixed assets. So next one, current assets. Already we are prepared bank account. The bank account shows the debit balance of rupees 2 lakhs. So whenever the bank account shows the debit balance, automatically it is to be treated as asset, you know very well. That's why under current assets, bank account 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs is equal to 2 lakhs. Assets 2 lakhs, liabilities are 2 lakhs. So assets equals to liabilities. The balance sheet, the procedure of balance sheet is first one, equity and liability. First, shareholders funds, non-current liabilities and current liabilities. Next one, assets, non-current assets. Second one is current assets. So this is the procedure of balance sheet. So here the assets are equals to liabilities of A Limited Company. This is a simple problem whenever the debentures are issued at par. So it is whenever the application money, once again I am before the conclusion I am giving the information regarding general entries. First of all, whenever debentures received, okay, received at par, first application money received, whenever application money received, then the general entry is bank account debtor to equity share application account. Next one, application money transfers to debentures account, debenture application account debtor to debentures account. Next one, for allotment money, whenever allotment money due, debenture allotment account debtor to debentures account. Next one, whenever debenture allotment money received, bank account debtor to debenture allotment account. Next one, first call amount due, first and final call, there is no another calls here. That's why debenture first and final call account debtor to debentures account. And next one, first and final call amount received. So bank account debtor to debenture first and final call account. These are all the general entries, and the ledger posting says the main important ledger in this problem, bank account and debentures account. In bank account, to debenture application account 50,000, to debenture allotment account 50,000, to debenture first and final call account 50,000. By balance carried down 2 lakhs, to balance brought down 2 lakhs. So debenture bank account shows the debit balance of 2 lakhs. So the debit balance of bank account shows the 2 lakhs. That's why it is to be treated as an asset. So under the head of current asset, bank account 2 lakhs. Next one, debentures account. In debentures account, you know very well what is the second general entry, debenture application account debtor to debentures account. So by debenture application account 50,000, by debenture allotment account 50,000, by debenture first and final call account 50,000, okay, to balance carried down 2 lakhs, sorry, debenture first and final call account 1 lakh, by balance carried down, to balance carried down, to balance carried down 1 lakh, by balance carried down, by balance brought down 1 lakh. It is the debenture account shows the credit balance, the debenture account shows the credit balance of 2 lakh rupees. So under non-current liabilities, debenture balance 2 lakhs. So total assets 2 lakhs and total equity and liabilities are 2 lakhs. So this is the simple problem for debentures or issue.